Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a texture in Blender 5.0. Suppose I want to add this texture to my project in Blender. First, launch the Blender app. In the pop-up, you can select your project if you already have one. Since I'm doing this for a new project, I'll click on General under the New File option. This will provide us with a basic 3D model. Let's say I want to add a texture to this model. To do this, go to Edit, then Preferences. In the Preferences menu, go to the Add-ons tab and search for Node. Make sure the Node Wrangler option is turned on. Now, close this window and go to the Material tab. In this tab, click on the minus icon to remove the currently selected material. Now, click on New to add a new material. After adding the new material, click on the Base Color option. In the pop-up, select Image Texture, then click on Open. Now, find and select your texture image here. Here, you may notice that the image has been imported, but it doesn't show on the 3D object. To resolve this, bring your cursor over the object, then press and hold down Z on your keyboard. Now, bring your cursor down to the Material Preview option and release the Z key. If you want to have a render preview, you can also click on this icon. If you want to edit this texture, you can go to the top and switch to the UV editing workspace. Enable the render preview for the object again, following the same steps as before. Now, zoom out from the texture image and turn off the Sync Selection option. Next, click on the UV Selection option and make sure that every texture point is selected. Now, press S on your keyboard to enable the Scale option. From here, you can scale your texture however you want. And that's it for this basic Blender tutorial on how to import a texture. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.